How to enable new taskbar, battery icon, and percentage in Windows 11. So if you want to enable new taskbar, battery icon, and percentage in Windows 11, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply go with a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and on the browser you need to go with the link which is in the description, which will take you to a website. Like this, you'll have the ViVeTool. You need to scroll down and then select the ViVeTool. So make sure that you get the latest version, and under the latest version click on it and it will start the installation or download process. You can go with the top right which has that downloaded file. Once you click on the downloaded file, now you need to go and extract it. Go with extract to a specific folder and select the folder in which you would like to extract them, and then go with OK. After that, you can open up your file manager. Here you need to go with the location in which you've saved and go with the ViVeTool. And in my case, I don't have the version, so you just need to simply go and install it. After installing that, what you need to do is just open up your command prompt. So search for command prompt, and after that, open up your command prompt, and here you need to enter the location where you've saved your files. So in my case, if you open up the file manager, here you will have the location right here. So you can just right click on it and then go with copy address. After copying the address, you need to go back and then paste the address right here. But make sure that you've opened your command prompt as an administrator. After that, click on yes, and you need to paste the address right here. After pasting the address, you need to go with enter, hit the enter, and after that there are two commands. So the first one is ViVeTool space / enable space / ID, and enter the ID which is 488224552, and then hit the enter. After hitting the enter, you need to enter the next command which is ViVeTool space / enable space / and then you need to enter the next ID which is 484333719, and again hit the enter. After entering these, or after hitting the enter, once the command runs, you need to just go back and restart your computer. After restarting your computer, it will apply the fix. So after that, you need to open up your settings, and on your settings you need to make sure that you're under the system section, and from the system you need to go to the right side which has that power and battery, and here under power and battery you will have the option of battery percentage. So you need to click on the battery percentage, and once you click on the battery percentage, you'll be able to enable the battery percentage. So that's how you can enable new task, battery, icon, and percentage in your Windows 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.